If you want some free and low-cost materials to make leather jewelry with, stay tuned. Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Today, I made this bracelet, this leather bracelet, recently in a video, and I was looking for some materials that I could use to make another bracelet like this. The leather that I used was a very, very soft leather. So I pulled out some of my leather stashes to see if I could find some more really soft leather like that. And what I saw, what I remembered is lots of this leather that I got it for free. And I love when I can find something for free. So I'm going to show you some of the free leather that I have, and then I'm going to show you some low-cost leather. And these are pieces of leather that I got from a leather furniture store. I just went into the leather store. I went into the leather store, and I asked them, what do they do with their expired sample books? And the guy said, we just toss them. I said, oh, do you have any? Do you sell them, or do you have any that I could have? And he gave me, this thick book of leather samples. So I'm just going to show you some of the ones that I have. Now these first ones are faux leather that I got, but this faux leather is very soft, and it would work for this bracelet that I made. And this is enough here to make this bracelet. Okay, and this is another piece of faux leather. You know, it's got the tags on it and everything. Here's another little book. I can't remember where. You know, I've been a couple of different places. This was a book of little leather pieces that are samples that they have, and they have the name of the color on the back of them. Here's another piece that I've used. Ooh, this is really nice and soft. But you see the holes where they had it in the book? Let's see here. What else do I have? Another one that came out of a leather book. So this is free leather. I mean, wow, look at that. Because this is what they would have, if you were buying some furniture and you wanted to pick out your colors and your pieces, this is what you would look through the book and pick out what you wanted. Well, these are some big, nice pieces. Hickory chair is what this one says. But this is like a suede. But again, free leather. Let's see, what else do I have here? These are some browns. Here's some black. This is other pieces. I'll put these aside because these came out of another pack. Oh, but look at this piece here. Wow, isn't that nice? That would make a nice bracelet. You'd have that stitching on it. Or some earrings. So, oh yeah, I bought this. This is some camel leather that I bought. I got this on Amazon. I have a link to this on Amazon if you wanted to purchase some camel leather. But let me show you, in addition to the free leather that I get, there is another place where I go and I get these bags of leather that are just pieces. Bags of scrap leather. So let me put this aside and then show you this one. Okay, these are scrap leather pieces, and they're different sizes and different thicknesses. You kind of, whatever's in the bag is what you get. You don't really get to, pick out your pieces. But there again, there's different varieties of pieces in the, this is from out of there. This is a nice thin piece here, pretty thin. But I get bags of these from Hobby Lobby. And they have them priced from, I think the lowest price I've seen is about like $4.95 for a bag. And I think it goes by the weight. But you can get some pretty big pieces and small pieces, you know. So, and they have different, I guess they go by weight. So I've seen the bags up to $9 or $10 that you can get from Hobby Lobby. So go check out Hobby Lobby, or if you, next time you pass by a furniture store or any kind of a leather store, just go in and ask them, what do they do with their sample books? Who knows what you might get? Or if they don't give them to you free, they might just charge a low price for them, because after whatever those designs are, after they have expired, they have no use for that. So some of them just throw them out in the trash. So let me know if you are willing to go and ask for some free leather, or if you have a Hobby Lobby that's close to you and you can go and get some leather pieces like this for a low price, and then make some jewelry. And hey, if you know of other ways to get free or low-cost materials, put that in the chat for me so that we can share this with people who are like us, who want to make jewelry and don't want it to cost an arm and a leg for supplies. So I would really, really appreciate that. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this. All right, good people, and remember, I use scrap leather to make this beautiful bracelet. And I'm gonna put the video, if you haven't seen the video, I'll put the video in the description, and I think I can attach it to the end of this video. All right, good people, this is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also are the creators of the Hobby to Hustle school community, where we talk about making money with your jewelry. We have a whole e-course in there. We have 2 tiers. We have a free tier and a paid tier. In the paid tier, you have a course, the Hobby to Hustle course, that teaches you what you need to know to get on the journey of making money with your jewelry. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.